Enigma TV presents In the Kitchen with Hurricane Ronnie.
Well, why would I catch his toenails? What's the point of that? I don't get it.
Don't do that. One time,
Ooh, he did that shit. Then it was crazy, cause damn, I'm almost full. I'm running out. I'm gonna go empty it. I'm gonna go. Y'all want to see more food?
I got food.
Y'all don't know what we about to do. Plenty of adventures. We're about to be all over the world. It's so good too. I already had me a bite.
Onions in me some.
Oh my God. I'm in heaven. He's spoiling me real good. I think I love her. Don't tell nobody, Dom. We got some honey mustard. Boom. Thank you. And we got a scary movie. So that's it. I'm about to eat it. Oh God, look how good. It's too pretty to eat. Get all in there. Oh yeah. Go ahead, lick that thing. That's some moist, juicy burgers. Oh